Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to add a ticket now. Make sure your iPhone is updated and unlocked, and open the app, email, or message that holds the ticket. When you see the ticket, look for an Add to Apple Wallet button or use the share sheet and choose Wallet. Tap Add. The pass preview appears so you can check details and any seat, time, or venue info. Once done, confirm by tapping Add again to store the pass into your wallet. Once the pass preview loads, take a moment to verify the date, seat, barcode clarity, and any restrictions. This prevents surprises at the gate. If prompted, enable notifications or location-based alerts so your ticket appears on the lock screen near the venue. If you have multiple Apple devices, pick which one should receive the pass. After confirming options, tap Add. The wallet stores the pass and syncs to use the ticket, open wallet, or let it auto-present on your lock screen when you arrive. Show the barcode or tap for NFC check-in as required. Make sure notifications and location are on so the pass appears automatically at the venue and you get updates. If the Add to Wallet button is missing, first update the app and iOS, restart your phone, or try adding from the provider's website in Safari. If problems persist, contact the ticket issuer to resend a wallet-compatible pass.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.